Sorry, Giant Joel. No kings.
Go fish.
Okay. Not literally. I wonder what Bush Baby's been up to. Good eye, mate. It's Bush Baby here. Sorry, I can't go right now. I'm obviously playing checkers, or I'm on a date with Mila Kunis. What? It's Mila Kunis.
You mean I'm playing poker with you while Bush Baby's going out with Mila's sexiest woman in the world, Kunis?
Yeah.
Let's get over there.